is Seb'z, which was saying create an application that works with two spinners which are interdependent. So this is how I'm working upon that in my Android Studio, and so I have started by changing the layout from constraint layout to relative layout, and so madam, this is how I go in the code. Here I started with a text view, Android layout with wrap content, then Android layout height, it also wrap content, then the Android text should be a spinner demo, which the question requires us to do here, demo. And then I would say the Android layout center is horizontal, and the Android layout margin equals to 20 dp, and then the Android ID is at plus ID dot stroke text. Then here to bring in a spinner, I would say Android layout width, I put it with on a 20 dp. See, it's aligning here. Then Android height is 50 dp. Then the Android layout below is ID text. So from there I'm going to continue with the Android ID spinner. Then madam, after declaring the Android spinner here, I'm going to continue with the Android layout margin, whereby it's going to be 20 dp, and the Android layout central horizontal is going to be true. And so I'm doing this as it sets itself automatically here in the interface. And so I'm going to continue with another line of code. Then after that I'm going to close my code so that I can continue with. I had forgot a line of code here at Android Studio ID spinner, whereby I was supposed to actually I typed in Android background that equals Android drawable button drop down. Now this line of code, it brings this drop down icon, whereby once you click in it, it will show you what you are supposed, the class that you are supposed to be selecting. And so from this code I'm going to click in main activity, whereby after clicking on Android main activity, I'm going to go here and I say spinner. To put in the line of code, which is spinner. Say spinner, then you terminate, and then you also come down here and you say spinner. Sorry, say spinner, and so spinner equals find view by text. When you say find view by IDs, find view by ID, here I had to say spinner find ID and find view by ID. Then I say r.id spinner. Then I'm going to click here and I continue with the
अब हम जब भी स्पिनर पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू का लिस्ट ओपन होगा, और उस लिस्ट में आप क्या वैल्यू सेट करा सकते हैं वो लिखेंगे। हम यहाँ स्ट्रिंग का एरे बनाएंगे, उसका कोई एक वेरिएबल रखेंगे,
string
इज इक्वल टू
continue, terminate, and then bring here your string, whereby you're going to say string, then from there you open a brace, shift a brace, then you put in the classes that the question requires us, like division A, division 2, division, just like that. So I'm going to start with div 1A. So I'm going to say shift div 1, that is an A, and A, you put a comma, you say div comma, you say div, I put a hyphen 2, then you say that is a B, you say comma, then you say div shift, and say div 3, that is a C, and then comma, actually these are supposed to be in uppercase, that is a B, and then this one is a C, and then let me check and see, actually this is supposed to be div, this is also supposed to be div 1, division 1, and then division 1A, division 1B, division 1C, and there I'm putting in the elements or the classes or the position, like when you click into our spinner it will show these. Then after this I'm going to come down here and I add my array adapter. I'm going to say array adapter, so I have to declare the array adapter with a string, array adapter, string adapter equals to new array adapter, and so in my bracket, in my array adapter I had to bring in more main string dot android main activity dot this, then I bring in my android layout dot simple spinner items, the items that are going to be selected under the under the spinner. So from this I'm going to come back in my activity main.xml, and this is my interface, and from this I can try to connect my phone and see. So with this, as you can see, my Techno Mobile Limited, the phone is connected, and so when I run the code, it is going to build to build the app and on my phone. As you can see, it's gradual build running, so it's building. When you click on the spinner, it shows